Hi, I'm Amy Giaquinto, and I am Mama Fix-It. And on today's episode, we are talking snow. Oh, snow. It's so absolutely beautiful until you have to shovel it for the 800th time. So, I have come up with a quick and easy solution for shoveling that will not hurt your back, will get your kids involved, and actually fighting over clearing your driveway and sidewalks. So, all you're gonna need today, set of trusty earplugs, your hat, your glasses, coat, snow pants, and snow boots. Okay, you're gonna also want your trusty, dun dun dun, leaf blower. And you're gonna want an extension cord. So come on, let's do this. All right. Come on now, that's way more fun than a day at the spa anytime. Haha. I'm shoveling.
That ain't shoveling.
You guys want to try? Yeah! Ears. Hair. Ears. Ears. Eyes. You can touch. I'm Amy Giaquinto, I'm Mama Fix-It, and that is how it's done. Ta-ta! If you like my Mama Fix-It videos, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also visit my website at www.amygiaquinto.com. Take care, bye!